Hello, this is another episode of Trojan TV. I'm Carly Smith, and I'll be showing you a few glimpses of our first pep rally at Trojan Stadium and an intro of our band that wasn't able to play last year, but they've been playing at halftime football games, the state fair this week, and the hallways of our new school. Lastly, we have Trojan Nite this weekend, and we are super excited, and we interviewed students about who they thought was going to win and what they are most excited for.
What are you most excited for?
We're on balloons.
Ready? Very nice. Thank you, Blake.
Who do you think is going to have the best costume?
Probably the seniors. They have more experience. There you go.
Thank you. What are you guys most excited for?
We're most excited to watch the events. The events.
And who do you think is going to win?
Juniors are gonna win. Yeah.
Thank you.
We're not gonna win, Kel.
Who's going to have the best costume?
I think the freshmen are going to have the best costumes.
And what teacher do you want to see participate?
I want to see Mr. Fonseca participate.
Thank you.
So building the float has been done at your house, right?
Correct.
And how is that going?
It's pretty good, making great progress, teamwork, leadership. Yes, sir, you know me.
Is the float looking good?
It is. Definitely gonna win this year. You know us, freshmen, always win, totally. Yeah.
So you guys are all competing in Trojan Nite?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to compete in?
Nothing. I'm just there to watch. The water obstacle course. The relay and tug of war.
Tug of war.
And who do you think's gonna win?
Seniors.
I mean us. We're going to win. We're going to win for sure.
Freshmen.
What are you most excited for about Trojan Nite?
I am most excited for letting all of our hard work come to life and letting everybody get to finally see all of our hard work and dedication that we put into this and all of the cool things that we thought of and letting everybody just get to have so much.
What are you most looking forward to for Trojan Nite?
Probably my events, just because I'll actually be doing something, and I won't be sitting there doing absolutely nothing. And who's gonna win? Probably us, actually, because we're not gonna lose, I guess.
What is your favorite thing about Trojan Nite?
My favorite thing about Trojan Nite is just having our class get together 2 months before it and just bonding and getting to build all of our floats and signs and stuff for Trojan Nite.
And who do you think is gonna win?
I think the seniors are gonna win.